In our earlier recording, we have seen the graphical derivation of IS curve. What we'll try to put is that let's try to put some numbers to it, and let's see, can we do it mathematically also? Though this is not a mathematical derivation, this is just again the graphical derivation, but putting some more numbers to it. It's some numerical example kind. So let us start with an interest rate of 8%, okay, and say autonomous spending is 1000. Multiplier effect is 4. So what is an equilibrium level of income? The autonomous spending which you have into the multiplier. This is the equilibrium level of income, which is 4000. Fine. So this is the first point on the IS curve. IS curve shows the combinations of interest rates and income. So this is the first point on the IS curve. This 8% and 4000. This is the first point on the IS curve. Clear? What we have done is that we have just found this equilibrium income. And how do you find this? Multiplier times the autonomous spending Z. Now, suppose interest rate falls to 5%. From 8%, interest rate has fallen to 5%. When interest rate has fallen to 5%, the amount of investment would increase. Suppose investment increases by 500. When investment has increased by 500, keeping everything else constant, autonomous spending will also increase by 500. Earlier, your autonomous spending was 1000. Now, investment has increased by 500, so your autonomous spending would increase by 1500. Okay, so autonomous spending has increased to 1500. So this is the level of autonomous spending. Multiplier has remained constant at 4. So you can find out the equilibrium income. Equilibrium income would be 6000. Fine. So at the level of interest, this is the second point on our IS curve. When interest rate is 5%, the level of equilibrium income is 6000. So you might connect these 2 points in order to get an IS curve. So you can connect this 8% 4000 and 5% 6000 in order to get the IS curve. Clear? So what we have done in this recording is that we have tried to find out numerically the level of equilibrium income corresponding with with the varied level of interest rates. What you need to be given for this is that you should be given some level of autonomous spending initially, and what is the level of multiplier in the economy. So once you're given these two effects, you can find out the IS curve.